Welcome back to the channel Tech Enthusiasts. Have you ever heard of a rootkit? It is one of the most dangerous types of malware out there. In fact, did you know that rootkits can hide so well that even your antivirus software might not catch them? Today, we are diving deep into the world of rootkits. We'll explore how they work, how you can detect them, and what you can do to protect yourself. So stay tuned because this information could save your computer from becoming part of a cyber criminal's botnet. What is a rootkit? So what exactly is a rootkit? The term rootkit comes from root access, which is the highest level of access you can have on a computer. Essentially, a rootkit is a sneaky piece of software designed to gain access to your system files without your permission. Imagine it as a wolf in sheep's clothing. It pretends to be legitimate software but has malicious intentions. Why are rootkits dangerous? Rootkits are considered one of the most dangerous type of malware for a few reasons. Firstly, they are incredibly hard to detect. Some can even hide themselves in the operating systems. For example, while some rootkits target installed applications, the most dangerous ones integrate themselves into the kernel of your operating system. They can even infect your BIOS. Yes, that means even formatting your hard drive won't get rid of them. Scary, right? Types of rootkits. Rootkits can be classified into several types based on how deeply they infect a system. Application level rootkits. These only target specific applications. Kernel level rootkits. These are more dangerous and can infect your entire operating system. Firmware, hardware rootkits. The most severe type, these can damage your hardware and infect your BIOS. How do rootkits work? Rootkits typically disguise themselves as legitimate software. They can slip into your system when you download files from untrusted websites. Once they gain access, they can let other types of malware in, wreaking havoc on your system. How to detect and remove rootkits? Now, let's talk about detection and removal. Some modern motherboards come with a feature called Secure Boot that can help prevent rootkits. If you suspect your computer has a rootkit, premium antivirus software can sometimes detect and remove simpler rootkits. However, be warned, some rootkits are nearly impossible to remove. Always keep your antivirus updated and perform regular scans. Prevention methods. Prevention is always better than cure. Here are some tips to keep rootkits at bay. Use reputable antivirus software. Always download software and drivers from official websites. Avoid clicking on suspicious links or downloading pirated software. Don't connect unknown USB drivers to your computer. What if your BIOS is infected? What if you suspect that your BIOS is infected? In that case, it's best to consult a professional. Sometimes you might even need to buy a new computer to ensure that your system is safe. So be cautious. Are rootkits still a threat? Yes, rootkit attacks are on the rise and continue to pose a serious threat to our digital safety. So stay vigilant and proactive in your defense. Now that you understand what rootkits are and how they work, make sure to take preventive measures to protect your devices. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech related content, and share this video with your friends and family to keep them informed. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.